Welcome back to UltraRide Zone. Performance luxury fans, if you've been craving a full-size SUV that delivers heart-pounding power, bold American presence, and cutting-edge features in one unstoppable package, look no further, because the latest evolution is here to dominate. Spotlight on the 2026 Cadillac Escalade V, pushing the limits as the high-performance flagship with supercharged muscle and refined upgrades that elevate the game. This model continues Cadillac's tradition of blending massive capability with advanced tech, ideal for those who demand thrill on every drive. If raw acceleration, premium command, and standout style are calling, hang tight. We're unpacking this powerful first look right now. Important note before we dive deeper: for transparency, these details draw from current production info, recent refinements, and available reports. As the 2026 Escalade V builds on the refreshed platform, some aspects like exact efficiency or minor tweaks remain estimates until final testing wraps up. We're keeping expectations realistic, and full verified specs will land here first from Cadillac. From the outside, the 2026 Cadillac Escalade V commands attention in a stunning Fuji sunset red finish, offering a vibrant, head-turning hue across a seamless design with no accent roof options for that bold, unified profile. The imposing stance, estimated over 210 inches long, features aggressive V-series styling, massive grille accents, and large wheels up to 24 inches, paired with performance-tuned elements that signal its supercharged intent against rivals. At the core sits the hand-built 6.2-liter supercharged V8, expected to produce around 682 horsepower and strong torque for explosive launches. Predictions suggest 0 to 60 times in the low 4-second range, delivering that signature rush with a refined exhaust note. Handling benefits from adaptive suspension, performance brakes, and all-wheel drive grip, providing confident control whether cruising highways or tackling twists. Advanced driver assists, expansive digital displays, and connectivity options enhance the experience for long hauls or daily runs. Towing estimates remain robust, while pricing for the V likely starts near $170,000, reflecting its top-tier positioning. Is this the ultimate blend of power and prestige? Closing reminder: all info is current but subject to official confirmation. Stay patient for Cadillac's final word. We'll share updates immediately. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade V? Fierce, refined, and ready to lead. If this got your pulse racing, hit like, subscribe for more performance reveals, and comment. Supercharged daily driver material? Swing over to my recent 2026 Mitsubishi Montero, link below. Thanks for watching UltraRide Zone. Stay powerful out there.